We will need the following equipment: our mechanical tester, the Mach 1 model V500CT or higher models, a multiple axis load cell with 250 newtons load range, a calibration holder and weight, a testing chamber with 4 screws, and a torsion grip kit. And now, the testing procedure for the mechanical tester. Open Mach 1 Motion software and select the proper configuration. In this case, we have a vertical stage and a rotational stage, which corresponds to the model V500CT. Using the manual controls of the software, raise the vertical stage to its maximum height using medium speed. Verify load cell calibration as per the Mach 1 user manual. Then, open the manual controls window and set the axis to position theta. Then, position the rotational stage at its midpoint using the axis midpoint function. Screw a torsion base onto the testing chamber by fitting the alignment keys into the slots of the testing chamber. Secure the testing chamber onto the rotational stage with the open section of the torsion base facing towards the user using 4 screws, and ensure that the testing chamber is perfectly aligned on the rotational stage. Screw the upper torsion base into the load cell with the open section facing towards the user. Alignment of the torsion base with the rotational stage and load cell axis. Using manual controls, lower the stage at medium speed to approximately 20 millimeters above the bottom torsion base. Then, lower the stage at low speed to approximately 2 millimeters above the bottom torsion base. Perform the following test sequence: a zero load, followed by a find contact, using the vertical position as the stage axis and the force in the z direction, positive direction with a velocity of 0.01 millimeter per second and a contact criteria of 0.3 Newton, a stage limit of 3 millimeters, and a stage repositioning of 2 times the load cell resolution. Verify that the upper torsion base is well aligned with the bottom torsion base. An allowance of 1 millimeter can be accepted. If the torsion bases are well aligned, using manual controls, raise the vertical stage at medium speed to approximately 50 millimeters above the bottom torsion base. If the torsion bases are not well aligned, using manual controls, raise the vertical stage at low speed to approximately 2 millimeters above the bottom torsion base. Do not adjust the bottom torsion base. Instead, adjust the alignment by unscrewing the load cell carefully from the top and adjust the position of the torsion base gently. Once the adjustment is completed, secure the load cell. Repeat the previous steps until the alignment of the torsion bases is complete.